What was your name, bro?
Christian.
Christian? Ernie, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So quick rundown on the car. Like, what could you tell me?
Oh, it's yeah, supercharged with DC headers and Tech exhaust.
The engine?
I built the engine myself in the garage.
At home?
At home. Cut the rings and everything.
Sounds like we need to make a trip to his garage for a tour.
You might want to see my garage.
No, might. I think I want to.
Headers, supercharger. Yeah, those are carb legal.
What kind of supercharger is that?
That's Whipple, made by Comtech.
What's your occupation, bro? What do you do for a living?
Retired military.
Oh, were you Navy?
Yeah, I was in the Navy. Now I'm a contractor. DOD contractor.
All right, welcome back to the channel. We have a good one for you today. We're gonna go check out some NSXs. Let's roll. All right, we're here at Chris's house. He said you should come check out my garage. And I was definitely gonna check out your garage. But man, you have a lot of toys here.
It's full.
I'm just trying to get one.
Oh, by the way, this is my makeshift detailing station right here.
Oh shoot, matter of fact, my friend, president of our car club, shout out to Reggie, he hooked me up with a care package.
Oh, nice.
And he's all, I got you. This is cool. So your wife's car, what's the plan on your wife's RX-7?
White body.
Oh, white body.
White body.
Is this you? You're doing all this right now?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, damn.
And I mounted the wing so I could mock it up. Or
I see that. And then the 4 NSX just chilling over here. Man, I like your setup, bro. I know it's a little cramped, but you're maximizing every single space.
No space wasted. There you go. You can use that.
No space wasted. So your toolbox is from OfferUp.
Yeah.
Pretty good. I'm pretty sure you could clean it up and even sell it if you wanted to.
Yeah, yeah. Then I gotta buy another one.
True, yeah. Yeah, you're really cramped up in here. How deep is this garage?
20 feet.
20 feet? No way, really?
It's 20 feet.
That's it?
20 by 60.
Oh, wow. So what year is this one?
This is a 2004.
2004. And then this one?
That's a 95.
95.
White body.
This one's a 19.
It's 2019 and this
And
is a
then-
94.
94 here?
94, yeah.
But this is the car I see all the time out in East Lake area.
That's the first one.
Oh, that was the first one you had, then after that started collecting? Man, you weren't joking, man. It's really cramped up in here.
Yeah, it's a maze to get in and out.
It's a maze and it's amazing.
Amazing maze.
This is so cool. Talk about maximizing your garage space.
Yeah, I learned it all from the Navy. How we stuff aircraft in the aircraft carrier.
Oh, yeah, true, yeah.
Ship, you know, we cram everything, every little inches, every inches counts when it comes to that.
Every inch counts.
Especially for the Asian boys.
Cars are a little dirty, bro.
It's been sitting outside.
Oh, has it?
It's been sitting outside inside yard because I was doing alignment practice. I was on this rack.
Oh, okay. So you had to take this one out.
Put this on the side yard and take a couple of nights. Actually a week long in there.
So y'all moved out here, you said 2019, just before the pandemic.
Yeah.
And then the other house, have you done something like this? Was it a three-car garage also?
It's a two-car garage. That's where I started everything with.
Oh,
that
okay.
Garage. So I moved everything here, pretty much, except for the other extra lift and the toolboxes.
All right, just touring his garage. He's actually gonna pull the red one out. That's the car we had in the car meet video. Wow, something like half an inch right here. All right, Chris is just showing me how he does it when he wants to pull his toys out. All right, just seeing how how much clearance he's playing with over here. So is this what you do when you're bored? Just move your cars around?
Yep.
Playing with cars.
Playing with cars.
All right, check this out, guys. Look how he has this red one up in the lift.
Actually, I have a lot of room.
Yep, now you have room now. Don't mind Chris, he's just over here playing with his cars. I like your little sign over there, no speed limit. So what's the story? Why RX-7? So your wife just got this project car just to go road racing?
Not really. I don't know if she's gonna go road racing. I might go road racing if anything.
Okay.
Than her because we like the Brap sound.
Oh, okay.
It's all about the Brap. Now I'm building it. So if she don't like the way it looks or if she doesn't like the way it drives, and I'll probably adapt it and put it on the track.
Then you'll have a toy.
Yeah, well, different toys for different stuff. So.
Would you bring any of the NSX out to the track?
I could probably bring the red to the track.
The one outside?
Yeah, that one is the suspension is pretty good. Actually, it's already done.
Okay.
So yeah, I just need to tweak it to the track.
I've never seen the engine of a new NSX. Could we check it out? Oh, these beauty covers.
There's really nothing much in behind
They really covered it up.
Yeah, they covered it up. All you see is the tubes. And he posted it says something like that NSX means something. It's different.
Oh, he actually said it's really something.
Yeah, and then he's like, and the guy commented. There's a person commenting saying like, let me when you come over here, I'll show you how fast this car is. My car, or his car is, my GTR. And he said, no, I've been to 700 horsepower and 1,000 horsepower GTR, but when he launched this NSX, it's just faster. It's just like, I guess it's
a
just,
different feeling.
It's a different feeling.
Oh wow.
So.
Well, what is the horsepower and torque on these? Because I know nothing about these cars.
575 stock.
575 stock. Yeah, that's pretty good.
And,
very damn good.
With a tune, I don't know, maybe 60 more horsepower.
Dang. I feel like I'm in Jay Leno's garage right now, getting a tour of the goodies. He said if I wanted to hear it, he's gonna fire it up. That sounds nice. Wow, you can change the tone of the exhaust too?
Yeah.
So what mode is that?
That's a Sport, Plus.
Okay.
And then like turn right. This one is track mode.
Track mode. All right, my first time sitting in an NSX. Well, a new one. Oh damn, this feels nice. I can fall asleep here.
It's comfortable.
Super comfortable. All right, he gave me the green light to rev it, so I'm gonna rev it. Damn, nice. The homie Christian said we can actually go for a spin in this thing. That's cool. Let's roll. Nice floor mats. It just hit me. I'm riding in an NSX right now. Last time I rode one, like I said, it was 97, 98, 99.
Just gonna go punch it?
Go for it. Woo! Feels good. Woohoo! Love that feeling. What's up, girl? I'm riding in Chris's RSX or NSX. See, I'm all confused. NSX. You want to see? Here. And we're back. Turbo school. All right, going back up. That is wild. So all NSXs and bags except the new one.
Here too, but that's cups.
Cups.
Air cups.
Air cups. Okay.
Yeah, I did everything here.
Nice. Beauty board and all. Let's take a look and see.
This is the basic NSX engine.
You said this one's 2004?
2004.
2004.
That's the 3.2 6-speed, 3.2 liter 6-speed.
How many horses is this one?
The crank's like 290.
290. Oh, yeah. This is fun playing with cars like this. So that hatchbacks is a 14-year-old son's project car. Oh, this is all you?
Oh, the S2?
Yeah.
Oh, it's mine. Oh, my wife's, that's it. We drive it once in a while.
And then this tow vehicle right here. So future plans, Christian's gonna build a garage here.
Someday.
Sunday? Damn, so that's all yours up there too, huh?
Yeah. And I do all that work too. Every single one.
Here's your sticker, bro.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thanks for letting me hang out and play with some cars.
Good time. We'll do some more.
Appreciate it. Feel like a kid again. All right, just over here chopping it up with Chris. He said, you know what, let's pull the cars out so we could get it on the video. And then he took me on the ride on that 2019 NSX. All right, good looking out, Chris. Thanks for inviting us to your man cave.
Anytime. Let me know. Just hit me up.
Follow him on IG, Chris from 619. Car enthusiast we met at the clubhouse meet.
That's right.
And you'll see him cruising the streets of San Diego in one of these cars. All right, I hope you enjoyed our little hangout over here at Chris's garage. Thanks for tuning in and appreciate you guys. And if you would, just hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button.